We got a bit tired of skiing, so we found this lovely forest and we're going to go on a slow, easy, calm walk, enjoy the beautiful weather. Don't worry, it's still cold, it's like -6, but we can actually walk on this beautiful path. We should have some nice views of Sognefjord, and we are planning to have some simple, nice lunch. So let's go! Are you enjoying the view, Louis?
Yeah, we finally made it to the Sognefjord. It's absolutely stunning.
It is?
It is actually the second longest fjord in the world. Also the second deepest.
And it's the longest one in Norway.
Exactly. And it's super, super beautiful. Very looking forward to summer when we're going to be hiking all around. Both all the way to the fjord, to the entrance of the fjord, where the mountains are a bit softer, and then maybe around this area where the mountains are a bit steeper and more, a bit higher.
And dramatic.
Yes.
We are currently in the dramatic part of the fjord, I would say.
Yeah, I think we're kind of at the end of it.
And we already have explored a lot of the fjord by living by it for many, many years, but still we never get tired of it.
No, I mean, it's a very long fjord, so there's so many hiking opportunities and so many different places to explore. Looking forward for the summer.
Yeah, me too. Also, the weather today. Like, amazing.
Oh my goodness.
When we left the house today, it was just cloudy and a little bit miserable, but look what we found.
Yeah, that was nothing to complain about today. It's so, so nice. And it's not even cold today.
No.
It's super nice.
Don't speak too early though. We still need to make lunch and probably then it's gonna get cold.
Oh well, but that's later.
That's
right
later.
Now, perfect.
Well, I think I found our lunch spot. We have the view. We have a bench. Let's eat.
Well, for lunch I'm having this pasta carbonara that I assume has nothing of pasta or carbonara in it. And Linda's having some, how you call this in English, Linda?
Reindeer stew.
Reindeer stew. That, knowing this brand, most likely there is some reindeer actually in it.
I have eaten it before. It was super tasty. So I'm excited to eat it again.
So, some quick, easy meal to make today, since it's still quite cold and we don't want to be here for way too long time.
No. As predicted, the sun has disappeared behind the clouds exactly when we're about to eat lunch. So it's not warm anymore. It's actually quite cold. Now we're waiting for our lunch to get tasty. And I'm very excited because I'm very hungry.
You can maybe drink some tea in the winter.
Yeah. Where is it? There, I see it. I'll drink some tea. Ooh, I'm cold. My
Me
hands
too.
are cold. But hopefully the warm food is going to make it feel better.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
This spot is very beautiful. We've lived by this fjord for so many years. We've never been here. We've taken a ferry crossing this fjord.
Many times.
Over there? Yeah. Like, I don't know, hundreds of times. And I've always looked up to these mountains, but I've never thought about, I should go hiking here. But it's so beautiful here. But so what is going on with the coldness? Like, why is it so cold every single day?
Yeah, for me the issue is not the coldness itself. It's the fact that the weather is the same every single day.
For like 2 months. There's no new snow coming. There's no rain. It doesn't get colder. It doesn't get warmer. It's kind of the same every single day. Norway is supposed to have variable weather. What's going on?
Yeah.
I hope it changes a little bit. I don't know. Whatever, even a storm. Just bring something different.
Well, I will appreciate a stormy day right
A
now.
stormy day. A little reset. Yeah. I'm not sure we're gonna get that. Yeah. So silent here. Oh, your belly's not silent.
No,
I just
my belly's
heard.
hungry.
Hungry? Hungry?
Both.
Hungry and angry.
Angry that I'm not feeding it. I'm hungry for something.
Yeah. Soon. It will happen soon. Oh, the tea. I took it, but I didn't drink it. It's sweet. It is.
It is. It's very warm. Pasta is still a bit hard, but
You're too hungry to wait.
I'm way too hungry to wait.
Does it taste the same as it did in summer? That's good. Does it taste better in summer?
No.
No?
It tastes better when the hungrier you are.
The hungrier you are, the
right
better.
now I'm quite
Yeah.
hungry, so it tastes very good.
Okay. That's kind of the thing about these meals, isn't it? Oh my god. This one tastes as good as last time. Probably even better. Like, this tastes like almost proper food. I love these real turma. They're more expensive than others, but you see why. They actually taste like food.
Like real food.
I think I could eat like 3 packages like this in one go.
Well, supposedly have like 600 calories per portion, so that probably is enough.
Well, let's be clear. It doesn't look any appetizing at all.
No.
But, yum.
Well then, warm up and enjoy.
I will. Thank you.
Hi, Linda.
Hi. I'm so cold. Since we ate, we've been rushing up this hill because it helps you with getting warmer, but I'm still a little bit cold. And I could put on the puffy jacket, but I feel like for me to first take the clothes off and putting the down jacket, I'm gonna get colder. So I'm just keep the movement going. We're now at the highest point of our hike. We've done like 3 kilometers. I think there's 2 kilometers left for us to get to the car. We're doing this loop around the forest. And yeah, from now on, everything is downhill. Not our mood should go uphill, right? But the path goes downhill. Have to be careful how I use these words. Some make metaphors, right? I think this is the last time we're going to see the view of the fjord. I think from now on we're going to go down and in the forest. So let's take in the last glimpse of it and yeah, head back to our car. Whew. It started quite warm. What happened? It always happens.
It's always.
It's not too long, I think, until the sunset either. Maybe like half an hour? No? I think it's soon. It gets so dark. Maybe it's happening right now. I could look in my phone and see the clock and so, but what's the fun in that? Let's go! So we just went down a very intense downhill. It took us by surprise because from the other side of the mountain that we walked up, it was very it wasn't steep, it was very easy. It's like a family friendly hike. And then when we decided to go the loop, and that one turned out to be expert hike. It was icy and yeah, we were tired. I couldn't feel my toenails? No. Toes?
Just toes.
I couldn't feel my toes, and yeah, it was very hard to get a grip, and yeah, that was intense.
Yeah, I managed to touch ground too.
You fell. You fell, and you never fall. And he was walking first, so I could go around, and I didn't fall, so I'm the best.
Wait, so it means I sacrifice for you?
Yeah, you're a hero.
There you go.
And I'm better than you.
I don't mind, I'm a hero.
Yeah, we still have some time to reach the car. How long have we been walking actually?
3 hours?
4.5 kilometers. It's been 2 hours 52 minutes. This is not gonna be 5k walk. This is going to be 7 perhaps?
Or so.
Mm-hmm.
And we're not walking the fastest today. So.
I actually think it's very funny that we got surprised by the downhill, because when we were reading the description of this hike, it said if you hike it up from the west side, it's going to be very steep. And we were like, it's not going to be that bad. Well, it was very, very steep. We didn't film it because, yeah, that was concentrating on the path where you put your next step. No filming.
Yeah.
Well, all right, it got dark. The sun has set and it's super dark. It almost got a little bit creepy to go down the mountain, but it wasn't as bad. Let me see, I haven't stopped. It's 6.5 kilometers. We've been on for almost 3.5 hours, that's including the lunch and yeah, everything else. I'm now gonna drink a tiny bit of tea, eat a little bit of candies. My choice is, let me see if I can find it. My choice is a marzipan whale. Louis has some regular chocolate. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. And whew, it's cold. I hope you're warm where you're at. And yeah, see you next week. Bye. It's like ice cream. It's good.